Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar Gurukul. Yesterday already we have studied how to solve the pair of linear equations, that is by the method of substitution. Already I have worked out one problem and also context is given regarding that. So today we will study again how to solve the linear equation containing two variables, one pair of linear equation. So how can you find the value of x and y? That is by another method which is called elimination method. So you have to solve the problem. You have to solve the pair of linear equation, that is by using elimination method. So now you see how I am solving. Suppose the equation is like this: 2x plus y is equal to 7, equation number 1, and x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is suppose second equation. So already you see first equation, two variable is x and y, and second equation also x and y. So from the two equations you have to find out the value of x and y, that is by using elimination method. So now you see from the two equations, first you think which variable you want to cancel. Suppose you are selecting to cancel y. Suppose you are thinking to cancel y. So you see in the first equation that is written 1y. And second equation that is written minus 3y. So what you have to do? You have to simply multiply 3 in the equation number 1. In the equation number 1, you have to multiply 3. Why 3? Now because this y will be 3y. And in second equation already minus 3y is there. So in the first equation you have to multiply 3 because you are thinking to cancel y. So now the first equation became 3 into 2x 6x plus 3y is equal to 21. Equation number 1. Whenever the first equation will be multiplied by 3, then you will get this new equation. And the second equation as it will be. So x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So now you see how the y term will be cancelled. If you just add by adding, you see plus 3y minus 3y cancelled. By adding equation number 1 and 2. By adding equation number 1 and 2, you see y term cancelled. So you got 7x is equal to 21 plus 0, 21. So x value 21 by 7, that is equal to 3. So you got the x value is 3. So then what you have to do? Just to put the value of x either in equation number 1, otherwise in equation number 2. Any equation you put it. So the first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. So you write 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now you have to put the value of x is equal to 3. So you will write 2 into x value 3 plus y is equal to 7. So you got 6 plus y is equal to 7. So y value is equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So you got the solution. What is the solution? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So this type of solving is called elimination method. Solving the equation, that is by elimination method. So for more practice, again see I am doing another problem. Suppose question is like this: 5x plus y is equal to 11 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Suppose these are the two equations. How can you do? By the method of elimination. How can you solve? Like this, suppose you are thinking to cancel x term. Suppose you are thinking to cancel the x term. So you see in first equation already 5x is there, but in second equation x is there. So you will say in second equation you have to multiply 5 because this x will be 5x. So first equation already 5x plus y is equal to 11. This is the first equation. And second equation now became, after multiplication of 5, you will get 5x plus 5 into 2, 10y is equal to 20. Equation number 2. So now you see how we can cancel the x term. So you just see equation number 1 and equation number 2 already written. So what to do? You have to just subtract the second equation from first equation. You have to subtract the second equation from first equation so that you can get, you see here, second equation will be subtracted, so sign will be changed. So plus sign is minus, here second equation plus sign will be minus, 20 sign is plus, that will be minus. You have to remember that term will be subtracted, sign will be changed. That term will be subtracted, that sign will be changed. So now you see plus 5 minus 5 cancelled, 1y minus 10y, that is minus 9y is equal to minus 9. So now you see minus minus cancelled. So y is equal to 9 by 9, that is equal to 1. 9 divided by 9. So already you got the value of y is equal to 1. So now what to do? Just to put the value of y. Either in equation number 1, otherwise in equation number 2. Suppose I will put it in equation number 2. So x plus 2y is equal to 4. So x plus 2 into y value 1, that is equal to 4. So x plus 2 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 2. We got 2. So already we got x value 2, y value 1. So this is the method of elimination. In the method of elimination, we can solve the pair of linear equation containing two variables. Now dear children, I will give you two problems for solving, that is your home task. So see, I will write the question now. 7x plus 2y is equal to 16 and x minus 3y is equal to, remember, minus 1. This is the question number 1. And question number 2, 4x plus y is equal to 13. X plus y is equal to 4. So dear students, these two problems you have to solve by using the method of elimination. Any doubt arises, you must text in my phone number. Thank you.